Hey, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and today we're going to talk about, do you need a DBA or do you need a trademark? So to answer that question, let's look at what is a DBA and what is a trademark. What are the purposes of both of them? A DBA, a doing business as registration, which in some places is called a fictitious business name registration, some places is called a trade name, is a registration you do with the state or the county where you are located to put the world on notice that you're using a name for your business, a brand name, that is different than the legal name of your business. And the reason you have to do that DBA or FBN registration is because it's required under state law. That's the number one reason you have to do it. If you're transacting business with a name that's different than your legal name, so for a sole proprietorship, your legal name is your name. So if you have a name for your business that's different than your own legal name, then you have to do the registration. And if you're an LLC, if you have a name for your brand that's different than the name of the LLC, you have to do the registration because it's just required under state law. Also, you're going to need that document so you can put the name of the business on your bank accounts, merchant accounts, all that kind of stuff. If you want to put out your business with that brand name into the world and have it be on everything, such as showing up when a charge is on your client's credit card statement, then you're going to want to have that DBA or FBN registration. Trademarks are different. Trademarks are there to protect consumers. We want to make sure that consumers, when they go to buy a purse, that it is the legit purse from the brand that they think they're purchasing from and not a counterfeit purse, as an example. So the idea of trademark registration is actually not to protect you as the owner as much. It's more to protect consumers from counterfeits. So they know the source of the product or service that they're buying is what they think it is. Now, it also protects you, the business owner, from someone else having a product, service, business, whatever, that has the exact same name in the same industry, because you can file a lawsuit against them and get them to stop. Trademark registration is also helpful with third parties like Amazon, Twitter, Instagram. If you have a registered trademark and someone else tries to get the URL, tries to use that brand on Amazon and sell them to that brand, because you have a registered trademark, you can get dibs with that third party business over the people who are trying to be confusing to everyone in the market. But if you don't have a registered trademark, they're probably not going to give you the time of day. So which one do you need? And maybe you actually need both. It depends. If you're using a name for your business that is different than the legal name of your business, then you need that DBA FBN registration. If you want to protect the brand name over the entire United States, then you want to get a trademark registration. So in some cases, you're going to do both of those things because both of those things are true. In some cases, you just need one or the other. It really depends upon the exact facts of your situation. Is this just something that's just one little product, or is it the entire name of your business? And how much money and time are you willing to spend on this? That's my last point. DBAs take a little bit of time and money, but they're much faster than getting a registered trademark. So with the DBA or FBN registration, for example, here in California, not only do you have to register the fictitious business name with your county, you also have to have it published in a legal newspaper. So it takes 6 to 8 weeks or more for all that paperwork to be done. Typically, the cost is going to be around $100, so between $75 and $125, somewhere in there. Trademarks, though, with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, take a lot longer and cost a lot more money. If you do it all yourself, you don't hire a lawyer, you don't use any kind of service, you do all the filing yourself, and you just do it in one category or class, then it will be $250 for the filing fee as the time I'm recording this video. As long as you fall into the requirements of that $250, sometimes it's actually $350 per class or category of your product or service. And it takes a lot longer. A trademark is currently going to take maybe 9 months at the earliest, but it's looking more like 12 to 18 months. And that's assuming nothing goes wrong. You don't have to have a fight with the trademark office. So it can even take longer than that. It can take years to get that through. So If you're deciding, do you need a DBA or a trademark? Most of you will probably need a DBA if that's the name you're using for your business and it's different than your legal name of your business. For trademarks, a lot of times it's not just about do you need it, it's about how much time do you have and what is your budget. Again, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein. If you have any questions about what I've talked about today, feel free to post them in the comments and I will try to point you in the right direction. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more videos about small business law, trademarks, copyrights, all that kind of stuff. See you later. Bye-bye.